Come on, we need to move it back.
Which way?
That, more back. Make sure you change it to Imperial.
Imperial engaged.
It's all right.
Wiggle it, wiggle it, wiggle it.
We've got to go for it.
Hello and welcome back to Rusty Nuts. We're back in Mad Ford Engineering and Liam is making engine noises. We are back in latex and for a change we're not working on a chassis. So we're going to be taking off all the ancillaries, or a lot of them, from Bob's engine. You're probably a better place to tell the people because I don't know what I'm on about.
Hi there. So today we're going to strip the engine basically. So carbs coming off because that's going to be rebuilt. That'll be a separate video. We're going to take the exhaust manifold and inlet off, the generator, dizzy cap, HT leads, sump, check for any sludge, give it a clean. Belts are going to come off, obviously. Anything that's rubber. We'll check the tensioner for any play, any weird noises, side-to-side movements, so on and so forth. Get it stripped to sort of a bare block, so similar to that one. Ta-da! Minus the
Baggy.
minus the bag and the head gasket. You know, these things, inlet.
The thingy, the doohickey.
The whatnot, you know,
that,
you know that. So we're going to make sure that we're going to have a completely bare block, and then needle scale the twat out of it.
I like that.
To get it prepped back to the bare block colour, bare metal, and then we can get it painted. That is not a military engine.
What is this one?
This is a military engine, so that's actually a civilised. Civilised. It's very kind.
Hello. It's very civilised.
It's a very nice engine. That is a civilianised engine, so that's what you would get on a normal civvy truck. This is a military engine, so the likelihood is this is the correct paint colour because it also has this bit down the side that you can't see.
Look at the brute of the generator that's on there.
Yeah, it's an absolute monster.
For the 24 volt system, it's a beast, isn't it?
So we're going to strip it down. We are going to needle scale it, but I think what we'll probably do is take the sump off. We're going to check for sludge, then we're going to take the head off.
What would sludge mean?
So sludge could mean that it's got water in it, or it's just the oil's congealed. Okay. So you just check in, make sure it's all clean, there's no bits of metal in it. Check the crank, make sure that the crank's all good, which I don't think it will be bad because there's no noises or
He was running nice, wasn't he?
Yeah, oil
sweet.
pressure's good. So we'll get that done. Then we can spin it back over, whip the head off, inspect the bores, lap the valves, new valve stem seals, new head gasket, because you might as well, you're at that point, aren't you? Then get it back together, get it prepped, and then it's ready for some duckhead blue. And then that's basically...
That's a funny noise. It looked like this one.
Apart from a different
but
shape.
Better.
Yeah, so it'll actually look like a brand new engine, which technically it is.
We need to find where the fan went as well.
The fan's in the
Iveco. Oh, is it in the Iveco?
No, it's in the Fezzi.
Is it in? Yeah.
Yeah.
There's parts everywhere.
Yeah, it's scattered all over the place. So, yeah, and then the carb, like we say, that'll be a different video anyway, because Mick's going to show us how to rebuild these Zenith carbs. I do have an idea, but we're going to be showing how to do it properly because, as you probably know from previous videos, me and carburettors struggle to get along because they do stupid things that I don't understand. So therefore it's its fault, not mine. Anyway, so yes, that's what we're going to do. So we're going to move it out of here because it's quite dimly lit here. We're going to move it into the engine build bay next door, get some nice light on it, and then we're going to start stripping it down.
Beautiful.
See how far we get.
Let's go!
So, strippage. Just simply
extract. What are you doing?
I'm trying to take the pipe off.
can't wait to test the mortar.
Oh, it looks cool, doesn't it?
I've got to do
That's tight on there, isn't it?
Right, Chinesium. We must remember that this is my engine stand. My engine stand has only ever held a Triumph 1500 and an A series engine. This is quite a lot heavier, so just need to be a little bit more careful
Chunky
with
monkey.
It's a chonker monkey. How's that? Can you see it? No. Let's move it back some more, Dave.
No.
Yeah, no, we need to move it back.
You want to be in camera.
Yeah, but the audience can't see it. Come on, we need to move it back.
Which way?
That, more back. Here we go, that's better. Make sure you change it to Imperial.
Imperial engaged.
It's already in, currently in metric mode.
There we go. I think that's Imperial now.
Excellent.
Yeah,
Why
nothing we can
Land
see.
Rover? Why use different size bolts? Why? Because you're worth it. Worth it. Oh.
Well, that one was tight.
Wasn't tight. That was quite loose, actually. Whoa.
Is it fart mixed with verve? It's an odd It's like a crab.
Like that thing out of Alien.
Oh my god.
It jumps on your face.
Sigourney Weaver can jump on my face. Maybe not now. Oh, yes. 94. That went in.
That's a hotter running plug.
A hotter running plug.
Okay.
Still shielded.
Yeah. Get your plug, put it next to it, you'll see.
Oh.
So that one's further away from the piston so it runs colder. That one's closer to the piston so it runs hotter.
And what's the benefit?
I've found these cause misfires. I don't know if that's... If you,
It was hard to tell with Bob. I don't know what's in the box, to be honest.
they do some as well that are for CVRT, and it hasn't got that bridge part. It's got just like a piece of wire sticking out. Don't put them in your Land Rover because the bit of wire burns out. But they work good in CVRT, and I don't know why.
There's no thread on it.
No thread.
Just wiggle it, wiggle it, wiggle it.
How's your fingers?
For me to do it.
Ow!
What got you?
You okay?
I feel a little bit sick. Okay, that's good. I mean, it's not. It's actually broken, but it's fine. So we'll get a new one of those
I
then.
think the mic. We are currently inspecting the bores. What are we saying, Leham?
Really badly scored. See, I don't know whether you'll hear it. If you can feel it with your finger, it's bad.
So the roughage is bad.
Yeah. Sometimes you can, I mean, Mick will tell us for sure, but you can sometimes, these might be lined though. So you might be able to get away with new liners. The other option is that you get them ground out and then put oversized pistons in it. Because they're currently, well, they are oversized. 0.20, so they're oversized already.
So it's already been done,
Yeah,
you would say.
that's probably damage occurred. It's probably damage occurred when it overheated,
Do you reckon?
as it's freed off. or while we were cranking it or trying to crank it, it's...
Scored it.
Find the brake cleaner.
Yes, thank you, mate. This is really quite bad, mate. Look at the scoring.
Yeah, it's going to need a rebore and pistons.
They're already point
They're already oversized.
plus 020.
20,000, that's nothing.
It's been done
You did
before.
up to 90 on these.
So you go, what, 30, 40s?
Get the next one up, yeah. The good thing is the pistons are cheap as fuck.
Cool.
They're like £18 each.
The bad news?
Nothing.
What's the
There's
machine?
always bad news.
About 90 quid to rebore it.
Oh, okay.
But yeah,
Right.
the only thing is you're going to have to take it completely apart now, crank out everything. So you might as well do a full rebuild.
Once it's done, it's done. And she's good forever.
So
Wow.
crank grind, set of bearings, shells and all that.
And you're right, these are amazing.
They are. You take
They're
that,
proper
you take that
weird.
pin out, and you've got that part. Then there's a beautiful ground roller that
Wow.
sits in a fuzzy bronze coupling. You just, yeah, that's bad. That is. How did Bob actually run so well?
It's incredible, isn't it?
Well, he ran pretty sweet, didn't he?
You did.
Bless
I
him.
wonder if that's caused when it overheated.
Yeah, pick up that is. Yeah. But you can see there should be a plate on the side of the block to tell you when it was reconned. There, look.
1994.
But if you look, it actually gives you pistons 0.2, so 20 thou over. Oh, that's good. Your mains are standard and your big ends are standard. So it was overhauled on the 5th month, 94. So if the crank's fine,
Yeah.
you can just go with standard bearings again, so you know what to order now. If the crank's scored, you can go 10 thou undersize. So you need some, 30 thou oversize or 40 thou oversize pistons, whichever you can get hold of.
Oh no, it's pissing oil everywhere.
I'll mop it up.
Keep going.
Right, hang on a sec.
Fucking hell, stiff, isn't it?
Yeah. Chinese,
I'd leave it there for a minute, just let it drain.
He's not well, leave him alone. Oh, look at that heat. Smoky.
Ooh, sludge.
It smells good.
Sludge fest in there.
It smells good. Is there some sludge?
Yeah, there is a bit. Oh, there's some metal in there as well.
We've got chunks.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
It's wonderfully simple.
Oh, God, yeah. It's remarkably clean in there.
Looks pretty.
You can straighten it up now if you want. There's all the oil's drained out. That's it. Put it in. Scrap cab. Bob as well. We'll have to bypass your infrared relay for you.
I think it's already done. I think it was done, wasn't it, Dave?
There isn't an infrared in there, is there?
Yeah. Right, we're going to transfer that from there onto there. Right, don't tip it this way, the oil. Right.
Oh, fuck.
Committed! We gotta go for it. Oh shit!
Should we put it down for a minute?
Go, better that!
That is a bit heavy.
Tiny bit of scoring on one of the shells, but nothing on the crank. Yeah. Oh, well, that'll take half a kilo off the weight. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go!
Right, do that way a bit. Get it on the edges. That's it, go. Take this off first.
Yeah.
There's an O-ring in here. So take that off and then you'll see that bit then comes up.
Yeah,
that
I
bit
get
stays
you.
in the block.
Yeah.
That comes up with that cap.
Yeah, so it's split in half.
Splits that way and that way.
Yeah, I get you. Okay.
I don't know if this has got T-seals in the side of the cap, I can't remember. It's been a year since I built one, but...
Ugga dugga.
That's the dugga dugga.
Oh, I've got it.
Thank you.
No, thank you.
No, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So what I'm doing here, I'm just checking the end float on the crank. So we bar the crank all the way that way. No, I did it wrong. Let me bar it back that way and zero it. Bar the crank all the way that way. And we've got 0.13. We had 1.5 earlier, didn't we? But 0.13 of a mil. And our master book tells us that the maximum end float you're allowed is 0.15. So this is at the top end of the range, so this will need bearings in the crank.
And even though it's technically within tolerance,
Yeah.
it just isn't worth messing about.
It'll only get taller, it'll only get bigger.
Yeah, so might as well just replace them.
Right, that is it tonight for engine stripped down. So Bob's block is now just bare, just a bare block. So we are now going to send it off to. So yeah, it's going to go cylinder head services. Going to get reboard, head done,
Reboard, head done, crank polish, and then it'll come back, and then it's basically a case of rebuilding it, innit? So you'll have to order some parts. So you'll need your shells, thrust bearings, gasket set, pistons, rings.
The rings come with the pistons.
So great, pistons and rings. I think that's it.
Cool.
Then
Right.
get it rebuilt.
So yep, come back, we'll get it rebuilt. And if you're enjoying our content, do drop a like and subscribe to the channel if you are enjoying it. There's lots of Bob stuff coming up, lots of Land Rover stuff coming up. Links down below for merchandise, and head over to Mick's Twitch channel, which is Mad Forward Engineering. You can catch us streaming live in the workshop on generally Tuesdays and Thursdays, and Mick does streams outside of that with lots of other cool stuff. And if you need any DJI equipment, thinking of starting up a YouTube, just go over to the DJI website using our link down below, and you can buy stuff from there, but we get a little bit of commission as well. And that'd be great. So thank you very much for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.